Hey everyone, welcome back to the Vital Trekkers Health, Sport and Tours YouTube channel. If you're looking to boost your memory, improve focus, and feel mentally sharper, today's video is just for you. We're diving into some brain-boosting foods that can help you stay focused and productive naturally. So grab a snack, hopefully a healthy one, and let's get into it. Why food matters for brain health. Before we get into the list, let's talk quickly about why food matters for your brain. Your brain is a high-energy organ. It uses about 20% of your daily calories. That means it needs quality fuel to run at its best. The right nutrients can support memory, mood, focus, and even help protect against age-related decline. Food plays a critical role in brain health because the brain is a highly energy-demanding organ that relies on nutrients to function optimally. Here's a breakdown of why food matters for brain health. Let us see 7 top brain-boosting foods. Number 1 is fatty fish. First up, fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for building brain cells and improving memory. Studies show that people who eat more omega-3s have increased gray matter in the brain. Here's how they help boost the human brain. Fatty fishes are a rich source of omega-3. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and trout are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, particularly eicosapentaenoic acid and docosahexaenoic acid. Docosahexaenoic acid is a major structural component of the brain. About 60% of your brain is made of fat, and much of that fat is DHA. Eicosapentaenoic has powerful anti-inflammatory effects that can protect the brain from damage and aging. Studies show that people with higher omega-3 intake tend to have larger brain volumes and better memory as they age. Fatty fish reduces risk of cognitive decline. Regular consumption of fatty fish has been linked to a lower risk of Alzheimer's disease and age-related cognitive decline. Omega-3 support neuronal communication and reduce beta-amyloid plaques, a hallmark of Alzheimer's. They also help maintain brain plasticity, which is essential for learning and memory. Eating fatty fishes improves mood and mental health. Omega-3s, especially eicosapentaenoic, may help balance neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. This can reduce the risk of depression, anxiety, and mood swings. Some clinical studies suggest that omega-3 supplementation can be nearly as effective as antidepressants for certain individuals. Eating fatty fishes are anti-inflammatory benefits. Chronic inflammation is linked to neurodegenerative diseases like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. The anti-inflammatory properties of fatty fish can protect brain cells from oxidative stress, promote brain cell repair and regeneration. Eating fatty fishes supports brain development, especially in children. Docosahexaenoic acid is critical during pregnancy and early childhood for the development of the fetal and infant brain. Pregnant women who consume adequate omega-3s may help boost their child's IQ, language skills, and attention span. Number 2 is blueberries. Blueberries packed with antioxidants, they help reduce brain inflammation and improve communication between brain cells. Bonus, they taste amazing in smoothies or on top of yogurt. Blueberries are often called a brain food because they contain several compounds that support brain health. Here's how blueberries can boost human brain function. Blueberries is rich in antioxidants. Blueberries are packed with anthocyanins, a type of flavonoid that gives them their deep blue color and offers strong antioxidant properties. Eating blueberries, these antioxidants reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, which are both linked to brain aging and neurodegenerative diseases. Consuming blueberries improved brain communication. Flavonoids in blueberries improve neuronal signaling in brain regions involved in memory and learning. When we eat blueberries can enhance synaptic plasticity, the brain's ability to form new connections, which is vital for learning and memory. Blueberries enhanced memory and cognitive function. Several human studies show that regular blueberry consumption is linked to slower cognitive decline and improved memory, particularly in older adults. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry showed that older adults who drank blueberry juice daily had better memory performance after 12 weeks. Eating blueberries used to neuroprotection. Blueberries may help protect the brain from age-related diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. When we eat blueberries, their bioactive compounds can prevent neuron degeneration by reducing harmful plaques and supporting brain cell survival. Consuming blueberries improved blood flow to the brain. Blueberries may enhance cerebral blood flow, which delivers more oxygen and nutrients to the brain. A study in children showed improved brain function during cognitive tasks after consuming a blueberry drink. Number 3 is dark chocolate. Yep, you heard that right. Dark chocolate look for 70% cocoa or more. It contains flavonoids and caffeine, both of which can enhance memory, learning, and even boost mood. Dark chocolate can benefit the human brain in several scientifically supported ways, largely due to its rich content of flavonoids, caffeine, and theobromine. Here's how it works. Dark chocolates improves cognitive function. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids, particularly epicatechin, which help improve blood flow to the brain. This can lead to better memory, enhanced focus, and improved reaction time. Studies. A 2012 study in hypertension found that regular cocoa flavonoid intake improved cognitive performance in elderly individuals. Eating dark chocolate boosts mood and reduces stress. Dark chocolate increases endorphins and stimulates serotonin production, chemicals in the brain associated with happiness. It also contains anandamide, a compound that can create a sense of euphoria. Dark chocolate enhances blood flow. The flavones in dark chocolate help relax blood vessels and improve circulation, including to the brain. This can enhance overall brain performance, particularly in tasks requiring concentration and quick thinking. Dark chocolate protects the brain from aging. The antioxidants found in dark chocolate help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in neurons, both of which are associated with neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Eating dark chocolate provides mild stimulation. Contains low to moderate caffeine and theobromine, which can increase alertness, reduce mental fatigue, and enhance short-term brain function. Number 4 is leafy greens. Don't skip your greens. Veggies like spinach, kale, and broccoli are full of brain-loving nutrients like vitamin K, lutein, and folate, all linked to slowing cognitive decline. Leafy greens can boost human brain function in several powerful ways due to their dense concentration of nutrients that support cognitive health. Here's how they help. Leafy greens are rich in brain-boosting nutrients. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, collard greens, and arugula are packed with folate, vitamin B9, crucial for neurotransmitter function, and may reduce the risk of cognitive decline. Leafy greens are rich in vitamin K, which plays a key role in brain cell signaling and may help slow age-related cognitive decline. Leafy greens have lutein, a carotenoid that accumulates in the brain and is associated with better memory and processing speed, and beta-carotene and vitamin C, antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress and protect brain cells. Leafy greens combat oxidative stress and inflammation. The brain is vulnerable to damage from free radicals, and leafy greens are high in antioxidants that help counter this. Chronic inflammation in the brain is linked to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Leafy greens contain anti-inflammatory compounds that help protect brain tissue. Leafy greens improve neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity is the brain's ability to adapt and form new connections. Certain nutrients in leafy greens, especially folate and antioxidants, are known to support this process. Leafy greens support healthy blood flow to the brain. Leafy greens are rich in nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide. This compound helps dilate blood vessels, improve blood flow, including to the brain, and enhance oxygen and nutrient delivery, supporting sharper cognition. Number 5 is nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, especially walnuts, flax seeds, and pumpkin seeds, are great sources of healthy fats, antioxidants, and magnesium, all crucial for brain health and managing stress. Nuts and seeds are widely recognized as brain-boosting foods due to their rich nutritional profiles. Here's how they can support brain health and cognitive function. Key ways that nuts and seeds boost the brain. Nuts and seeds are rich in healthy fats. Especially omega-3 and omega-6 support the structure and function of brain cells, and the best sources of omega-3 are walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds. Eating nuts and seeds may improve memory, protect against cognitive decline, and enhance mood. Nuts and seeds are packed with antioxidants which protects brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, and best sources: almonds, hazelnuts, sunflower seeds high in vitamin E, pumpkin seeds, zinc and magnesium. Eating nuts and seeds may slow brain aging and reduce risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Nuts and seeds are high in magnesium and zinc, which has benefit of magnesium that supports nerve function and learning. Zinc aids in communication between brain cells. Best sources of pumpkin seeds, cashews, sesame seeds, and has effect of improve mood, learning, and memory. Nuts and seeds provide amino acids and proteins which has benefit. Amino acids are building blocks for neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine that has best sources of sunflower seeds, rich in tryptophan, hemp seeds, and effect of supports mood regulation and reduces anxiety. Eating nuts and seeds support gut-brain health which has benefit which support gut bacteria that influence brain health and effective may enhance mood, cognition, and reduce brain fog. Number 6 is eggs. Eggs are rich in choline, a nutrient that helps with memory and brain development. They're also packed with B vitamins that play a role in regulating mood and preventing brain shrinkage. Eggs can significantly support and boost brain function due to several key nutrients they contain. Here's how. Choline, the brain's communication enhancer. When we eat, choline is crucial for producing acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter involved in memory, mood, and muscle control. Egg benefit: one large egg contains about 125 milligrams of choline, covering roughly 25 to 30% of the recommended daily intake. Brain impact: supports memory and cognitive development, especially important during pregnancy and early childhood. Egg is high-quality protein, fuel for mental performance. That protein provides amino acids, which the brain uses to produce neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin. Eating egg has benefit of offering all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein source, and brain impact which helps with mood stability, focus, and alertness. Egg contains omega-3 fatty acids in enriched eggs, which is essential for brain structure and function. Some eggs, especially pasture-raised or omega-3 enriched, contain a higher level of docosahexaenoic acid and supports brain development and may reduce the risk of cognitive decline. Eggs contains vitamins B, B6, B12, folate that mood and memory support, which help regulate homocysteine levels, which are linked to cognitive health. Eggs provide good amounts of B12, B6, and folate and aid in producing brain chemicals and reduce the risk of brain shrinkage and memory issues. Number 7 is green tea. Green tea not only helps you stay alert thanks to a small amount of caffeine, but it also contains L-theanine, an amino acid that helps you feel calm and focused. Green tea has been associated with several cognitive and neurological benefits. Here's how it may help boost brain function. Green tea contains L-theanine, enhances focus and relaxation. L-theanine is an amino acid found almost exclusively in green tea. It crosses the blood-brain barrier and increases the activity of the neurotransmitter, which has anti-anxiety effects. It also increases dopamine and alpha brain waves, promoting a state of relaxed alertness and improved attention, reduced stress, and better cognitive flexibility. Drinking green tea has caffeine that boosts alertness and performance. Green tea contains less caffeine than coffee, but enough to produce a mild stimulating effect. Caffeine blocks adenosine, an inhibitory neurotransmitter, which increases the firing of neurons and the release of dopamine and norepinephrine, and improved mood, memory, reaction time, and attention. Green tea is antioxidants that protect brain cells. Rich in catechins, especially epigallocatechin gallate. These compounds have neuroprotective effects, reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which are linked to neurodegenerative diseases. Reduce the risk of Alzheimer's and Parkinson's diseases. Green tea enhances brain connectivity and function. Some studies using MRI scans have shown that green tea increases brain connectivity, particularly in areas associated with memory and decision-making that improve working memory performance and sharper thinking and better information retention. Green tea improves sleep quality indirectly. The combination of L-theanine and low caffeine can improve sleep quality by promoting relaxation without full sedation. Bonus tips for brain health. Quick bonus tips: stay hydrated, limit added sugar, and avoid ultra-processed foods. Even the best brain foods won't help much if the rest of your diet is holding you back. So let's recap: fatty fish, blueberries, dark chocolate, leafy greens, nuts, eggs, and green tea are all smart choices for a sharper brain and better focus. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss out on more wellness and nutrition tips. What's your favorite brain food? Drop it in the comments below.